All right, guys, what do you think about the idea of refurbished sneakers? This is a weird one.
I'm in because I seen the space hippie stuff Nike's doing. I hope
No,
I'm
no,
not
no,
jumping
no,
the gun.
no,
but
no, not that.
No,
I'm
no.
talking about somebody had these sneakers, didn't use them very much, returned them to the store, and then Nike refurbishes them.
I'm into it, man. I'm into it.
Nike to clean up used, returned sneakers and put them back on shelves in 15 stores across the U.S. at a reduced price to lower consumer waste. To qualify for refurbishment, the sneakers need to be returned to Nike stores within 60 days of purchase. Nike lists the steps to return the shoes on his website. I suppose if you ordered online, you could return them that way too. They can't be used for more than 60 days. That seems to be the key characteristic. They claim they're trying to cut down on waste. I suppose there's also some sort of economic incentive for doing something like this. Where would they go previously? In the trash.
Yeah.
But
or to like a thrift store, something like that, or like on the secondary market, like Goat or StockX.
If you return to Nike, I don't know if Nike does that. I see what you're saying. These are Nike's returns. They would go to another seller or get shipped somewhere. I'm not sure, but the fact that they're claiming that it's going to reduce waste to me implies it went into garbage.
I got you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which obviously no one.
Rude.
Well, yeah, that's not ideal, especially if it's not used very much.
It's like a rental.
All right, so here we go. Footwear is inspected and graded with inspectors looking to give shoes one of 3 grades. Shoes given a 1 will be designated as like new or near perfect condition with no sign of wear or flaws. Or in great condition. Yeah, okay. From there, the shoes are placed back for sale at a reduced price. Up to 15 U.S.-based stores will carry the refurbished footwear. By the end of April 2021, 2 of those are going to be in Florida and 3 will be in California. And they continue to explore ways to reduce the amount of waste. So both of you guys are into it. Both of you guys would consider if you saw the reduced price refurbished model of sneaker and it was next to the new one, which cost a little bit more, and they were both available in your size, sitting right there. Which one do you go for?
I would definitely go for new. I can't do this.
Yeah, I mean, I would go for new. I think where it hits is if it's like I was looking at some Jordan 4s the other day, and I was looking at them on StockX, and the price on that was through the roof. Like, it was insane. But if you had like this is 60 days. Obviously, I know it's a different thing, but if you had the option just to get like a worn pair that was kind of hard to find, or just the option to have it. I mean, when I was young, I remember I got my first pair of Nikes at the outlet store, and I was popping off. Like, everyone was like, "Yo, nice Nikes, man!" I had never experienced that in my life. So I think if it can open the door up to like some people who otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to have some Nikes, like some nice shoes. I mean, nothing beats a nice shoe.
You would.
I would. Yeah, I'd go for it. Yeah,
okay.
I think so. I mean, I'm wearing Lou's old shoes right now.
Refurbished.
These are Lou's old shoes, actually.
Did you refurbish them, though?
They are refurbished. Yeah, I refurbished them. If by that you mean like I took them off the floor from the old studio. Yeah, refurbished them.
Are you ever concerned about who worn them?
But
every day I put them on. Yeah, I'm like, Lou wore these.
Well, you know,
stinky,
Lou
so
wore them.
stinky.
But what about at the store?
Well,
the thing is, though, that Nike's going to put it through its process. And then you have to just trust their process. The question becomes whether you trust their process for hygiene. I'm going to steam them or brush them up. I think there's an image of somebody cleaning it here.
It's the bowling.
Yeah, I mean,
thing,
you can see there's an actual person going through and taking a brush to the sneakers and cleaning them up. That's how the program works. So, yeah, I don't know how much this impacts or affects the secondary market, because in a lot of cases, whether it's Goat or StockX, that those sneakers, it's easy to see the value, and the person can post it. Why would they even send them back if they were hard to get?
Right.
You just post them if they're used. I think this is more going to apply to sneakers that are not all that limited and not in tremendous demand, and would go in the trash because they have nowhere else to go.
Right.
I presume, although she's cleaning up some Jordans right there, I don't know if there's anything special about them or not. But either way, I think it's a good move. I think It is unfortunate. You know what I hate about sneakers is like they get dirty, right? Sneakers get dirty. And oftentimes I think people will pick up a new pair when their sneaker is perfectly fine. It's just dirty. And they're like, I need a new pair. It's dirty instead of cleaning it up. So it's such a nuisance to clean them up. You feel like a weirdo. Like, what are you brushing the thing? And
It's a whole night.
it's a nuisance to clean it up. This is kind of like a Nike cleaning program. They're like, there's still life in those shoes.
Yeah.
We're going to find a new, but again, it's 60 days, so they aren't really worn down all that much. But I'm always amazed to look through all of my old sneakers and be like, man, there's plenty of life over here.
Yeah. How much damage can you do to a shoe in 60 days?
It just depends what you do with it.
Yeah.
You wear it every single day, or if you have a variety to choose from in the first place.
Mm-hmm.
Either way, I'm with Will. I would probably buy new, but I'm glad that the idea exists.
Yeah, it's out there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad the idea exists.